Jury deliberations began today in the trial of the man suspected in a drunk driving crash that killed a Long Island Boy Scout. CBSN New York's Jennifer McLogan reports from Riverhead.
Following hours of powerful summations in the Boy Scout death case, the judge charged the jury. The courtroom packed with family and supporters of the 12-year-old victim and 60-year-old defendant. It was a trial filled with gut-wrenching testimony, tears, and overwhelming emotion.
And I prayed that he would do the honorable thing and take responsibility for what he did. And here we are today, and we have to wait for 12 people to decide that for him when he could have done it himself.
It is now in the hands of the jury, 7 men and 5 women. Did Thomas Murphy of Holbrook recklessly and selfishly get behind the wheel of his SUV after a morning of drinking vodka on a golf course, even after a friend tried to take his keys and drive drunk into a group of Boy Scouts, killing Andrew McMorris of Troop 161, hiking on a Manorville road?
We were given a life sentence without Andrew, but we pray that justice is done because we don't want this to happen to anybody else.
But the defense tells jurors it was clearly a tragic accident. Disregard emotions, focus on the facts, the attorney for Murphy told jurors, calling his client a decent and compassionate man who was not legally intoxicated at the time of the crash. That Suffolk police disregarded key pieces of evidence, claiming the Scouts were poorly supervised and wandering.
I'm optimistic because I don't believe the people proved their case. You know, I expect they're going to do their job back there and eliminate emotions.
Murphy maintains he is not guilty of the 12-count indictment. The judge dismissed 4 of the counts. The jury now considering charges of aggravated vehicular homicide, assault, and driving while intoxicated.
Whatever the verdict, it doesn't change what happened. But maybe it'll make people think and make a different choice.
If convicted of the top count, Murphy faces 8 1/3 to 25 years in prison. The trial now entering its 5th week. Reporting from Riverhead, Long Island, Jennifer McLogan, CBSN, New York.